So today we will be replacing these right here since they are pretty crusty. Look at that, that's pretty gross. And we will also be installing some window visors that will make this car look a little better. Also, we will also be installing a roof wing, like I said. So here are the visors that we'll be installing. These are for the rear, these are for the front, and that's for the roof. First thing you want to do is clean off the part you're gonna be applying the visor to. So pretty much all around the door edge, right there. It's pretty much all. So clean it off real good. Make sure it's real nice and clean so you get some good ground to stick on. Right here too, and right here, and same on the other side over there. So make sure your surface is very clean before you put it on. What I like to do too is I like to give it a little peel first. Peel this a little bit back and just hold it right here. That way once you have it where you want it, you just start peeling and pressing up against the window to press it down wherever you like it. Here's the first one on, came out really good. Nice and flush. I like it, I like it. So now, do the same thing with the rest of the three. There is one side all fully done. Nice and flush, looking good. I am digging that. So we got all four sides done. Now, as you can see, we are all complete on the window visors. Now we just need the roof wing and these little trim pieces. Place the driver front one. Driver, this is the passenger one. You need to roll your window down all the way. And there's this little Phillips screw here. I don't know if you see, let me light it up real quick. There's a little Phillips screw right there. So I got my window rolled down. I'm about to take off this Phillips screw. I'm gonna take off the door panel. You probably don't have to, but I'm just gonna take it off just so I can see a little better when I'm taking this off. And it does go into a little mirror a little bit right here, so I'm just gonna bolt this off real quick as well. I think there's just like 3 10mm on there. Just take off this tweeter speaker cover. And here you're gonna take off this cover for the door handle right behind it. And then there's a Phillips screw right here. And then that's pretty much it for here. Then you're pretty much just gonna pry the door panel out. Well, while I'm at it, I'm gonna install these little projector things too. That replaces that light, so when you open the door, there's a Lexus projector that shoots out. So I'm gonna go ahead and install those too since I'm gonna take off the door panel. So here's the seal thingy. I have this special tool I'm gonna use. Pretty much grabs it, then you just pull it up all around. So you pretty much just try to grab it from down here. Then I'm gonna unbolt the mirror. So there's 3 10mm, 1, 2, 3. Then just unplug the mirror as well. And then I think that's it for right there. here's the old one out. You have to be really careful if you're trying to keep them because they bend really easy. So yeah, it's a little tricky to get it out. Alright, once you hear it pop in down, you're pretty much good to go, and then just put your screw back in here and you're solid. But look how much of a difference that made compared to that. Yeah, it definitely needed some. But these are called belt moldings if you're interested in getting some. Pretty much put everything back in how you took it off. So the mirror and the door panel. The little projectors, you're pretty much gonna be in the back of the door panel, and you're pretty much gonna take this off. There's this little pin here. You press down and just push it out. There's the projector, and you do have to trim it a little bit there, just to square it out so this could fit. But other than that, you should clip right in. I did go ahead and put my door panel back on, and I'm about to show you guys the projectors. I'm gonna turn off the light so you guys can see a little better. So I'm gonna open the door now. Woof, that looks pretty cool. Gonna be walking out like royalty. Yeah, that's pretty cool though. I ain't gonna lie. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I mean, that's pretty cool. $20 spent right there. There's that. That is the new belt molding on, and that's the old one. Nice. Gross. And there's a little accessory I installed. Can't really see in the day, but in the night that looks pretty cool. So there you go. There's my door panel back on. That's how you install those pieces. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the rest off camera to make this process a lot quicker. Now we got our window visors on, we got our belt molds all on. Now we just need the roof wing, and we got our projectors as well. You can barely see it, but hey, it is looking 10 times better, because back then that's the first thing you would notice, the belt moldings, and now it's looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the roof right around right there where the roof wing is gonna sit, and I'm gonna put some stickers I have too. I have a bunch of stickers I haven't put on. I'm about to put those on right now too. Roofing on, but I don't know how I feel about it. Like, it has like this weird dip in the middle. I don't know if it's damaged or it's like that. I don't know. Like, you see, kind of, yeah, look, you see, it's not even straight. Like it's very off. I don't know. I'll probably take it off because I don't really know how I feel about it. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be something like this, but just dips down. Take it off and assume it's damaged because that don't look pretty. It's all deformed. So yes, that's a no-no. But that's how you put one on though. But yeah, it's going garbage. Alright, so well, that roofing was a fail. But hey, I got some stickers on. I got that new one and that new one. Pretty cool. Little Washington State Lexus logo since I'm from Washington. But yeah, I'm gonna I actually have another antenna I'm gonna put on, so I'm gonna take that one off and put a new one. What I'm gonna put on, these pretty much just screw on there, so you can just unscrew it and screw it back on. nice little stubby antenna, nice and on. And I think that's pretty much all I have for this video. Nice little refresh of some parts, and it's looking a lot better, honestly. I'm pretty bummed out about the roof wing, but hey, it's okay. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. I greatly appreciate it and hope you guys learned something from me today. The Lexus is looking a lot better by the day. Well, the days I work on it. But I am super blessed to have an amazing car. It's not perfect, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of flaws, but hey, no one is perfect, and that's okay. But thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for following my build, and hope you guys stay tuned for more to come, because as you saw, I got a lot of things cooking for you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day and stay progressive.